Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about turning your Instagram presence into a source of income. It's very useful and very rewarding, so let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to switch to a professional account, and to do so, just go to your Instagram app by going to your Instagram app on your mobile phone or your tablet and click on it. Now once on your home screen, click on your profile icon right here, click on it, and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner right here. After that, go to account type. Let's see here. As you can see, I already switched to a professional account, and to do so, just go to the business tools and controls right here, and then click on switch account type, and then choose whether you want a personal account or a creator account or a business account. In my case, I chose a business account because it's the only way you're gonna monetize your Instagram. I think creator accounts can be monetized as well. Now, after you switch to a professional account, you can choose between creator or business depending on your goals. The second step is to grow your audience, and to do that, you're gonna have to post regularly with high quality content that resonates with your niche, and you can use relevant hashtags and engage with your followers. For the third step, explore monetization options. Use affiliate links to earn commissions, partner with brands for sponsored posts, set up Instagram shipping to sell products directly, and offer exclusive content through paid subscriptions. Now, for additional tips, regularly check your Instagram insights to analyze your audience behavior. You can do so by clicking on the three horizontal lines right here, and then go to insights right here, click on insights, and here you have all the insights you'll need to analyze the audience behavior. Keep in mind this authenticity is key. Build trust by being genuine in your content, and stay updated with Instagram's new monetization features. And that's it. That's how you monetize Instagram. It's very simple and very easy. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.